Every customer of mine has one regret. Just being transparently honest with you. I hear it all the time. Want to know what it is? Hello, I'm Bob Hancock, general contractor and owner of Bob's Eco Fans, your QuietCool fan specialist. The one regret I hear all the time from my customers after installing their new QuietCool Whole House fan is this: I wish we'd done this years ago. Whole house fans are one of the few home improvements that you can invest in that pay themselves off and then make you money. Typical real-world returns on your QuietCool investment can be as high as 20 to 30% per year. That means your fan pays itself off in 3 to 5 years and then earns you that much annually for the duration of its guaranteed 15-year lifespan. That's just crazy. Where else in the world can you make a risk-free investment that will pay you 20 to 30% in annual returns? I don't know of any place. Do you? Here's the thing. The longer you wait to install your QuietCool Whole House fan, the more you lose in unrealized gains, which is why people say, I wish I'd done this years ago. Don't have the regret that my other customers have. Don't wait any longer. Pick up the phone and call me or visit my website, bobsecofans.com right now to get your QuietCool scheduled and installed and lock in your earnings. I'm Bob Hancock. Thanks for hearing me. Go to my website, www.bobsecofans.com.